Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. As always, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. We have a 17 GT today with the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. Hey, it's an auto. It's bone stock, running 93 octane. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. I have Doug with me. We're also gonna go down and look at the engine compartment, but I got to thinking, when I'm sitting here in the shop today, I'm looking around at a couple of vehicles. Let's just look real quick, Doug, show you what's behind me being worked on today. Every day it changes. This isn't a shop tour. Right here, awesome yellow S550. This is getting a stage 2 Whipple supercharger. We have a Lightning right here. We just installed a built engine, Whipple supercharger. This has been here for a little bit because we had to build the engine. It's running, and we have a few more things to wrap up on that, and that'll get delivered. We have a 3-valve over here today, getting our favorite Paxton Novi 2200 supercharger. I love those superchargers. I know if you watch my videos, you see I do a lot on that and on the Vortec and on the Paxton non-intercooled as well. And up here today, we have the F-150. You might saw this in a shop tour waiting to get built. We just installed the Hellion twin turbo sleeper system. It is a killer deal. We're not gonna go underneath it because I will do a video on that truck in the future. Just wanna show you a couple things behind me. We're not even gonna walk over here and see what's being built, but this is what it's about today. Doug, we're gonna keep moving. We're gonna come down here, follow me. Just look at it, Doug, look at it. Now here's what I wonder. Does anyone out there understand or get what I just said? That's like a 10-year-old YouTube video. We always joke about it here at work. Just look at it. Leave a comment if you know what I'm talking about. But here's what you have. 17 GT, Roush. They call it the Phase 2. Flywheel rated. It's 727 flywheel horsepower. And it's fully intercooled. You get a boosted pump, you get injectors, and you get Kohler spark plugs. And besides that, this car is stock. No headers, no other mods. Just the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger, 6-speed automatic. We're gonna watch that dyno pull here in a second. Lays down almost 600 rear wheel horsepower, which is really cool because guess what? This is 50 state legal. So you have a 15 to 17 GT. You can buy this Phase 2 Supercharger, add well over 200 rear wheel horsepower to your car and keep it 50 state legal. Doug, let's go check out that dyno pull. All right, we're in our dyno cell. We're gonna look at the numbers, but a couple things in the description. I'll put a link so you can click on that supercharger, see exactly what it costs. So you wanna know what it costs, open that description, click on it. And then what's it cost to get installed? Simply email quote@brenspeed.com and we can give you a price out the door. But Doug, DynoJet SAE, automatic, 93 octane, 595 rear wheel horsepower, peaking at 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in excellent, 510, peaking at 4,800 RPM, and we're over 450 torque before 3,000 RPM. So that is crazy on the street. So, you know, it's crazy with a stick, it's really crazy with an automatic. Car's gonna need some tires. So I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Subscribe and notify if you like watching dyno videos, shop tour videos, things like that. But that's the Roush. They call it the Phase 2. Flywheel, 727, through the auto, we're right around 600 to the tires. Off pump gas, off a 50 state calibration, pretty easy. So again, subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching. Leave that comment. Happy to answer. Have a good day.